Hi everyone, and a special to you for watching this video. Okay, we are done. The moving from Mpumalanga down here to KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa is done. If you're first time watching on my channel, or maybe you scroll down and just happen to end up on one of my videos, just go back to the previous video and you will know what it's all about. Like I said, this is my garden, and here is Zanile and oh, little Kush as well. They just love the garden, and even there is little Chloe in the garden. They just love the garden. Kush thinks she's the queen of the castle here. Sadly, we had to put Mischief down because she was about 20 years old, and like the vet said, she was the dementia, and she just couldn't even help herself. So the best was to put her down. Very hard sore, but we had to do it. And then Pooch, my little feral cat, we gave to my husband's son. She's very happy there by him. Okay, and down here, my garden, all this year is in my garden, and it's part of a conservatory. There is the most beautiful birds here, and then obviously the monkeys is here also. They come and visit us almost every morning. They run through here to the other side, and then there is the most beautiful little bugs in there as well that sometimes come and stroll down there in the garden. We call them little duikertjies, and of course the most beautiful butterflies in my garden every day. And I do love my butterflies, so it's so nice to see all this beautiful butterflies in my garden. And then just behind those trees, bushes, there is the sea, the beach. So we're going for a stroll down to the beach now, and then I will show you that. Now, isn't this beautiful? We didn't bring the dogs with us today because we're going down that side to the ski boat club to have some lunch. the monkeys here in our garden. Some people say they're pests, but I think they are cute. But he's on his way to the bird feeder. I can see that. Okay, so this is actually the main event of everything. This is my hobby room, craft room. And as you can see, I've got all these boxes, all the stuff I still have to pack out. I didn't do anything in the craft room yet because I wanted to fix my house first, all the rooms in my house, so that is fixed now. So yeah, still have to do this. I end up taking the smaller room because I have the small room and then I have these two big rooms next to each other. But I decided to make that my guest room because in my mind just didn't work to make one big room for a guest room and then there's a little small room for a guest room. I just couldn't do that. Okay, we bought this two bunker beds for when the children comes to visit, for the grandchildren obviously. So I could have ended up making my craft room with the bunker beds in one of the big rooms. I know that. But in my mind, it just didn't work. I couldn't make one small and one big room. So I took the two big rooms to be my guest rooms. So yeah, there's no space there, and I end up taking the small room for my craft room. So obviously all this furniture won't fit in here. I think I'm going to have to take out those two shelving drawers, cabinets here. I may put it in the two guest rooms. And then, yeah, I still have to pack out all this stuff here. It looks terrible here. And there behind in the corner is my dollhouse, still packed, closed up. I'm actually too afraid to open it up because it did got a bit damaged of the moving. They didn't put the boxes up right. They turned it around and then we moved in here. It was raining that day and the boxes started in the rain and I didn't know about it. So yeah, I'm actually too afraid to open it. But yeah, I'm going to have to pack out all the stuff in here first before I even going to look at my dollhouse. So yeah, this is just a little updated video. I wanted to tell you everything about what's happening since we're moving here. Okay, something I have to tell you that's actually very important. I totally forgot about it. Well, to tell you about it, about 6 months ago, we became grandparents again. My husband's son had a little boy. He's now about 6 months old. And then, of course, my daughter is pregnant again. She's now about 20 weeks, 22 weeks pregnant. And so, yeah, we're going to have little baby girls on our way. And so, yeah, this is a very happy grandmother. And I'm happy with the moving year. And I'm happy with all the grandchildren that's coming. So, yeah, this is, like I said, this is just a little quick update of everything that's happening now. And, yeah, I have some work to do. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.